Hey, welcome back to Quick Assist. Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to change your Bose SoundLink Revolve into a different language. So it comes with English, but you'll be surprised how many languages there are. And all we have to do is do a hard reset. Once we do a hard reset, it'll start giving us the options. All right, so let me go ahead. Hard reset is by just,
Battery 100%.
as you can see, it's currently in English. We're going to go ahead, hold it down. And then it's going to say
battery 100%.
Percentage. Keep holding it down past that point until this blue light goes out. All right. So then once it's out, let go. We're going to turn it on. And then it's going to ask if I want English.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
This is the multifunction button. Okay, so how do we change
English? Press and hold the multifunction button.
How do we change language? We go ahead and use the plus minus. So watch.
Espagnol.
Now Spanish.
Français.
French.
Deutsch. 中文. 일본어.
And then Chinese, Japanese.
한국어를 선택하려면 다기능 버튼을 길게 누르세요. Italiano.
Italian, Korean.
Português. Para selecionar português.
So as you can see, we have many different languages. It's a Dutch, but then anyways, yeah, so go ahead and mess around and then see what language you want. Oh,
English.
Russian.
To select English, press and
Let's go. I'll go ahead and put it in Spanish for now. Then I'll go ahead and hold that down. Okay, so now we're in Spanish. All right, guys, so if this video helps, please like, subscribe, or comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.